Listen, I want to tell you something real. Most people think influence comes from talking more, from being clever, from trying to impress. But that's not how it works in real life. The people who pull others toward them are usually the calm ones, the ones who don't try too hard, the ones who make you feel relaxed just being around them. You felt it before. Someone sits next to you, doesn't rush, doesn't interrupt, doesn't try to be something, and somehow you feel comfortable opening up. That's not luck, that's quiet power. And today, I want to show you how that works in a very simple human way. Point 1. Stop trying to impress. Most people walk into conversations thinking one thing: do they like me? So they try to sound smart. They try to be funny. They try to say the right thing. And without realizing it, they feel tense. Here's the truth. The moment you stop trying to impress, you instantly feel lighter. You talk slower. You stop overthinking. You stop watching every reaction. And people feel that calm. They don't know why, but they feel more comfortable around you because you're not asking them for approval anymore. You're just being present. And that alone makes you stand out. Point 2. Pay real attention. Most people don't listen. They wait for their turn to talk. They're already thinking about what to say next. But real attention feels different. It's when you actually hear what someone is saying, not just the words, but the feeling behind them. What excites them? What bothers them? What do they keep coming back to? When you notice those things and don't rush to respond, something changes. They feel seen, and feeling seen is rare. That's why people remember you even when you didn't say much. Point 3. Make people feel safe. People open up when they don't feel judged. They open up when they feel like they don't have to explain themselves. So don't rush to correct people. Don't argue just to win. Don't interrupt their thoughts. Let them finish. Let there be silence sometimes. That silence tells them, you don't need to protect yourself here. And when people feel safe, they naturally lower their guard. Not because you forced anything, but because they wanted to. Point 4. Stop chasing reactions. Notice how people often talk. They say something, then immediately look for a reaction, a laugh, a nod, approval. But the calmest people don't do that. They say what they want to say, and they're okay if the room stays quiet. That confidence is powerful because it shows I don't need anything from you to feel okay. And funny enough, that's when people start paying more attention to you. Point 5. Let connection happen naturally. Real connection isn't forced. It's not about convincing someone. It's not about controlling the moment. It's about letting things unfold naturally. No rushing, no pushing, no pressure. When people choose to connect with you because they feel comfortable, because they feel understood, that connection is strong because it was their choice. And choice is always more powerful than persuasion. Point 6. Be comfortable with silence. Most people are scared of silence. The moment a conversation slows down, they rush to fill the gap. They talk just to avoid that quiet moment. But silence isn't awkward. Awkwardness comes from insecurity. When you're comfortable being quiet, it sends a strong message without saying a word. It says, I'm okay with myself. I don't need to entertain you. I'm not nervous about how this looks. And people feel that. A pause gives weight to your words. It makes people reflect. It makes them lean in instead of pulling away. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is say nothing and stay present. No phone, no fidgeting, no rushing, just calm eye contact, relaxed body language. That kind of silence feels steady, not empty. And when someone feels that steadiness from you, they trust you more. Because silence handled well is confidence in its purest form. So remember this. You don't become powerful by trying harder. You become powerful by becoming calmer. Stop performing. Start listening. Give people space to be themselves and watch what happens. People will open up, trust you, feel drawn to you. Not because you tried to control anything, but because you didn't need to. And that's real power.